How's it going, everyone? Today I'm headed out to target bluegill, and if it gets too wavy, we may go back into the channel and target some bass since we'll be out in the pontoon. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching the video. If you want to see more open water content, please hit the like button. It lets me know that you want to see more of this content. I hope your open water season is going great. Let's go ahead and jump in. There's a nice sunfish.
Wow.
Nice. Ooh, she's chunky.
Almost keeping that guy.
Wow. Look at her. Pretty fish. Check her out, huh? She's chunky, but she's not that long.
But she's fat.
Real fat. Beautiful fish. That's what we're out here for today. That was on a leech white jig head with pink hair on it. Good luck charm right here. My orange monster. This is what we're getting into today. Pretty little sunnies. Bluegill day. This one's got like a pretty bluish gray color to it. The gills are out. This one got my leech. That one's gonna get a full belly. Hold tight. Woo! Oh boy. She's wet.
Another one, hang on. You almost went overboard.
No, I was fine. Yeah, just got a little wet.
I was always told to go head on into them. But maybe that's not the right thing.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's a way to cool yourself off, though. Not bad. Bluegill. This feels like a bass. Oh, it is a little bass. Ooh, she's got wounded. can you hand me that net? Thank you, sir. She's probably a 14. Got skinned there by something. Let's see what size you are, kiddo. Shut your mouth. 14 on the dot. A little bit of a wound on her. Thanks for watching the video. It wasn't a crazy day out there, but it was relaxing, it was beautiful, and it was a fun little midday splash there hitting that wave. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. It lets me know to make more of this content for you guys that like it. And until next time, take it easy.